Welcome! Today I'm showing how to activate Quick Launch into a Motorola Moto G71. First of all, open your settings and in search of settings write Quick. And from the list you choose Open Camera Quickly option. And how you can see, this option to open the camera quickly, press power button twice. Activate this option and let's try. Double press to our power key and camera is open. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.